So you're probably wondering, hey Pocan Joe, why do you have a hand in a bucket there, buddy? That's because this happened.
Got a Becker build in mind now. To match yours, I wonder if Joe would make me a handle like yours, but instead of an axe blade, like a little hand that's a back scratcher. It's for when my back's itchy. And then we could be Vikings together, and like if we ever needed to go to a ruckus, I could slap them with the little hand, but also scratch my back or yours. I could help you out.
All right, so challenge accepted to good old Beckerman over there, over at the Viking comic channel. You may remember that channel. We did an axe, a Dane axe for the head host there. But for his co-host, we're gonna make this, right? So they can go into battle together. I want it heavy and dense where you can hit somebody with it and you're gonna feel it, split that melon. And then, but I also wanted a loving touch to his back. That's why we're using my hand for this. I'm a caring person at the end of the day. And as this is finishing up, we can, let's see what we got here. All right, so there it is, silicone mold. So now we're gonna do up some plaster. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to let that cool a little bit, right? And then now what we're going to do is we're going to take our blank so we don't waste any time, because time is finding, right? You only get so much, and I'm kind of cutting this one close as always on this channel. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make a handle. And what I'm going to do is, since I kind of have this kind of cool mace design going on for the handle, I want it to kind of be a mace too. So we're going to get a piece of round stock wood, and put some guards on it, trim it down, sleek it out, maybe add a pummel. I don't know yet, but if I do, you'll see it in this next part. Let's go.
See them wish your lives away. into my chair. I'll fake the same smile every day. Nothing's secret when we're all sharing. Close strangers watching you. A wall is painted and what could have been. It's too late, what can you do? Electric reflections of myself. Why are they so damn ugly?
All right, sports fans, here we go. We got a problem, like a huge problem. So after 3 different castings, right, I got this monstrosity here, pure brass, right, and it looks really bad. Like it's horrible. But I'm sitting here thinking about this. Let me show you where we're at. So this thing right here, it's only a partial bit of my hand, is about 20 pounds right now. And I'm sitting here thinking, that's just not practical, right? And I think it's important that you see the mistakes just as the successes in this, right? So, and I should have thought of that, right? Because brass is heavy when it's condensed, especially pure brass. So I'm sitting here, and now I'm like, okay, we got roughly 48 hours before we got to finish this project, and I need something that looks like my hand that I can mount on our handle and get that done. And I'm not. No. Sometimes your first prototype's the best prototype. Let's fix this up.
When your bones become frail, life is stagnant and stale. But don't throw it away, you'll miss it. Hours turn to days, memories tick away, creating lines upon your face, try and hide them. Stay away, I got growing pains, that's all. Stay away, I got growing pains, that's all. Don't lie to me, just twisted. Stay away. I got growing pains, that's all. Stay away. I got growing pains, that's all.
All right, folks, that's it. We're all done. This is what we got. We went from Mace to Scepter for the king. Right? So, went ahead and touched that up. Just brushed on some of that gold color on there. You can see my palm print in there. Not too shabby. Got little guards on it with some glow-in-the-dark glowy powder. Not too shabby. It's got some weight to it. Like you could somebody. Right? But we got to test it for what it's really supposed to do. Let's test it. Crush your fingers. Let's see if this works. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that's the spot right there. So yeah, we're all done. That was pretty fun. It was a fun build. It's a good example. You know, sometimes, you know, things just happen and you run out of time. So you take what you got. You make the best you can out of it, and I think we did an awesome job. But more importantly, I hope our boy Beckerman enjoys this. We'll be getting this out to him in the mail Monday morning. It's Saturday night now, last weekend of the month. Told you I was cutting this one close. So yeah, definitely. So, you know, if you like what you saw here, definitely think about subscribing and hitting that notification bell. And if you want, down below, I have some links to my merch store, some coffee, things along those lines. So yeah, that would be really cool. Help support some of the things here in the channel so we can make things out of trash. You got to admit, I'm very thrifty with other people's money. So from Mace to Scepter, we're all done. And it's heavy. Like you could still probably crack a good melon with this. So all in all, not what we wanted, but it's what we got. And I think it's pretty good. So next month, we're going to start another project for somebody else. So definitely swing by for that. And I'll catch y'all in the next go around. Bye.